Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this practical video, I will guide you for 6 common mistakes in the construction of this RCC slab. Especially I will guide you for RCC top beam as well as the junction between beam and column. So let's get started guys. You can see guys, this is RCC top beam. The size of this beam is 12 by 16 inches. Width is 12 inches and depth is 16 inches. If you see, we have 6 steel rods, 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top. Dia is 16 millimeter. Now guys, you can see this is the junction between beam and column. The first mistake is guys, you can see the spacing of stirrups, which is not okay. The first stirrups should be placed with minimum 2 inches. And now guys, you can see to the distance of L by 4, stirrup spacing is same. To the distance of L by 4, where we have negative bending moment, so the spacing should be close compared to its mid. So this is the second mistake. Hooks you can see guys, which are bent with 90 degree. So the hooks should be provided on 135 degree guys, you can see. And the hooks should be placed alternately. But here you can see everything is wrong. As you can see. Again you can see the junction between beam and column. You can't see. The fourth mistake is guys, you can't see any extra steel rods. To resist negative bending moment, to the distance of L by 4 we will provide extra steel rods or bent up bar. Next guys, you can see this is the end of the beam. You can't see. The fifth mistake is you can't see any development length. So the development length should be provided in the beam, especially at this place, which you can see practically in this video. We provide the development length to make a good bond between beam and concrete. But unfortunately, they don't follow any rules regulation of steel structural drawing. They don't have a site supervisor to do the proper supervision for this construction, as well as they don't follow any steel structural drawing. So therefore they will face more problems. Guys, you can see this is the junction between beam and column. But unfortunately, you will not find any kind of extra bar or bent up bar to the distance of L by 4 where we have negative bending moment. To resist negative bending moment, we will provide extra steel rods. But you can see the simple beam which we can construct normally. So in the junction we should provide. These are the rules regulation of steel structural drawing to resist negative bending moment. Now guys, you can see the spacing between two column or the span between two column, which is about 18 to 20 feet. You can't see the spacing properly here. The spacing is same, which is about 9 inches. But here, for this kind of construction, the spacing of the stirrups should be from 100 to 150 mm. From 4 inches to 6 inches, we will keep the spacing of stirrups. To the distance of L by 4, we will keep from 3 to 4 inches for this kind of construction, because this is mega project and this is commercial building. At the middle, we can provide or we can place with the distance of 6 inches. You can't see any development length, wrong spacing of stirrups. You can't see any extra steel rod or bent up bar. Hooks are bent with 90 degree, which is not okay. It should be provided on 135 degree. Main bars and distribution bar spacing is 12 by 12 inches. So this is single mesh. On the top of this, they will provide the double mesh and the spacing will be 6 inches.